Yo, nah, say nah. It's Man Family Channel back with another blog. Today we're going to be reviewing my 2018 paintball gun. Now, if you guys want to get you one, just like, share, and comment. If this video gets to 50 likes, I will tell you where to get you one from. Now this tank, you can get this tank from anywhere, Army Surplus Store, Walmart, anywhere, your local stores. This is the biggest tank that you can get for one of these paintball guns. This is the biggest canister you can get. It holds a lot of paintballs. See, it's empty right now. I need to clean that out. Every nice cool paintball gun got the signs on it. It screws off and on, as you can see. You can take it off and on. If you'd like to see that video of me assembling my paintball gun, go check out my other videos. You see right now what it's on. Yeah, it's empty. Pretty nice, cool paintball gun. Something just go shoot around targets around the house. Like, share, comment, and subscribe on the video.